I'm Henry. I'm the founder and owner of Bike Swift, and in this video I'm going to describe what you can expect getting an e-bike conversion here at the shop. Every electric assist conversion is custom. First, we'll evaluate your bike to make sure it's a good candidate to be electrified. 95% or more of bikes are, but now and again we get a bike that is going to be very difficult to convert. Usually the first step of the actual conversion process is mounting the motor. Almost always we'll use a rear hub motor, and we'll install that in a very secure way, usually with a torque arm. A torque arm is a piece that makes sure the motor is going to stay put, stay safe, and not damage itself or your bike. That motor can be anywhere from 4 to 10 pounds depending on your requirements and the requirements of your bike. So we get some customization and options at that motor point. Next, we'll install a battery. So a battery will mount it in your frame in a way that's secure and lockable, so you can easily take it with you, but you can leave it on the bike as well. That battery can be anywhere from 500 to 1,000 watt hours, so you can choose the size, the weight, and the range of the battery that you would like. Next, we'll install a handlebar mounted display and all the controls that you need to interface with the electric assist system. So that's a display to show you the battery charge and the power level that you're at. A throttle so you can access the power at any time, even without pedaling. Up-down button so you can change the power level. And usually some sort of brake so that you can shut the system off when you're braking, and for certain systems engage regenerative braking, slowing down the bike and recharging the battery. We're also going to install some sort of sensor on the drivetrain. So this sensor might just sense when you're pedaling, but it may also sense how hard you're pedaling so that the system can give you a proportional boost based on your power. We can also add accessories to your bike, like lights that run off your e-bike battery, or non-e-bike accessories like fenders, upgraded tires for improved flat protection and grip, a rack to carry stuff, or a better lock to keep your bike from getting stolen. And if the bike needs it, we can perform a tune-up at an additional cost to make sure that the bike is in great riding condition, that it's shifting well, braking reliably, essentially that all of the non-electric components are working like they should. Finally, we'll wire it all up in a way that's professional and clean and make sure that everything is shifting and working exactly as it should. It's a complex system with many parts that relate together, and our goal is to really leave it feeling like a purpose-built electric bike and as much as possible looking like a purpose-built electric bike. That's basically it.